Previously on Wandering Wagners.
What you doing?
So we got Piper back and met with the vet. He said that she's looking good, but she's not 100% yet.
She's 90%.
90%. We stopped to get fuel at Sheets. Man, it's like hail icing out there now. We are pulling into a Rooster's parking lot. There's a lot of open spaces on this end.
In the back.
At the back, but we're not sure if we'll be able to get out once we're ready to leave. Might have to unhook the Jeep and kind of do the Austin Powers of
I don't know, but we're trying it because we want roosters.
I want some wings. Lunch was amazing. Windy. Oh look, there's Guy in my seat. Moment of truth. If we can get out easily.
Yeah, we'll get out.
Oh, hi, babe. I'm like, I don't know. It's kind of tight through here.
Straight shot. Could go this way. Maybe I'll go this way.
Oh, okay. I wasn't even sure we could make this turn, to be honest.
You'll be surprised what the Wraith can do.
Huh.
Look at that.
Yeah, I mean, I really didn't think it was going to make that turn. And then straight out here.
This is the drive we came in.
Yeah. That was a lot easier than I thought it would be. Rain stopped, sun's starting to peek out a little bit. We still got some dark, big clouds over there, but Piper does not care. She's all go. Our firing looks like it's a cauldron of
Hell yeah.
charcoal soup. All right, Dave, you're making me a drink.
Yeah. So this one, we're doing a little bit different than we did last time. We got to use the shaker. So we have the old Yeti.
Yeti shaker.
Isn't that how they do it? You gotta make a stupid face when you're doing it. You gotta like way up with it. Oh, is that how you do it?
Yeah.
Like that.
Yeah.
Didn't spill any of it either.
Shaken, not stirred.
Oh, there we go. It's not bad. I can taste that it's been chilled via some ice.
Is it mixed really well?
It's not bad. Yeah, I
Was
think
it
it tastes good.
shaken, not stirred?
It was shaken, not stirred. Good morning from Great Seal State Park. It actually is a pretty nice day outside. Full sun, not a cloud in the sky, so we're not really used to seeing that, but I will take it. It is a little breezy today, but you know what? Definitely not complaining. For once we get to see the sun, and it's like 60 degrees is the high for today, so sign up. Now our water, I almost called it our water pit. Our fire pit is still sopping wet with some water, but it has gone down since yesterday. Definitely planning on having a fire today, for sure. Actually wanting to go hiking too. Wonder how the trails are gonna be. Can't be any worse than that half marathon I did last year, right? Oh my gosh, like for real. You wanna go inside their house, Pipe?
You gotta get down the step pipes.
She'll just duck.
Right?
Oh my gosh. They act like it's theirs. Andrea and I were going to go hiking. Yeah, we just got some help from a local trail runner. So I think we're gonna do this guy right here. He said that's the most challenging, so we said sure. He said it's challenging, but it's beautiful because you go up. on that mountain ridge. You can't see it over the crab house, but you know, we'll get up there. And there's a little mud, but it's really not too bad, right? At least right now, anyway. She gonna make it? Oh, she did.
I know it. That's fine. Nothing like being a little dirty.
We have an obstacle. Have to go around, make our own path.
Yeah, definitely not going through that.
How you doing, Andrea?
This is a hill.
I know it's really hard to tell, but like, if you look down here, it just goes like up over here is the top, and it might look flat, but it's not. This is the final, I think the final push to go up there. We'll see if we can do it. Getting there. I like to run up because then it's over faster. Pretty sure the sweatshirt was a bad idea. Well, what goes up must come down. It's starting to head down already.
Yeah, we didn't get to enjoy our time at the top step for very long. They're gonna knock us down.
You know what, the wind was nice up there. That was actually cooling everything down. All right. Now we head down very slowly. Now I could run uphill, but I can't run downhill. Just don't rip a hole in your pants. I've done that on a hike. I should have just taken my sweatshirt off. Just got a sports bra on though. I'm doing it. I'm doing it. And the sky looks so pretty from right here. It's so blue in the camera. You know, it's hikes like these, I wish I brought my water bladder, but filled it with something a lot more fun, like beer or wine or mimosa. That'd really give me that kick I need to just keep on going.
Or it just gives you the kick that you don't care and you just go because you're like, this is fun.
You're like, send it, I'm going, I'm running up this mountain. Are you gonna try it? This is the muddiest spot of the trail.
I'm good. I'm done. Take two.
Oh, there you go. Kinda. Toad or frog in there.
Right there. Oh yeah.
So we made it to the fitness trail that we're gonna try, because they usually have some cool like equipment and stuff. We're gonna see what they have. We made it to, I think, station number 1. Stretch and breathe station.
So I'm gonna stretch.
And breathe, don't forget to breathe. Meanwhile, I've already done over 2.45 miles, and now we're getting to stretch and warm up. Okay, chest and back. Thigh and calf station.
Came across this little waterfall when we were doing our, all of our fitness. So we had decided to take a relaxing mental break around the waterfall.
Core station. Wait a minute. Wait. Maybe we should have went straight.
I think we should have gone straight.
I didn't even see that. That's number 10. We just did what, 4?
Cut,
3 or
cut.
4?
We're gonna go back to
Cut the
4.
tape. Did you change your mind? You want to go back to 10?
Yeah, I think we should go back to 10 all of a sudden. 4 doesn't look so appealing.
Okay, number 4 is pull-up station, obviously.
I can't even do 1, I feel like.
We're at station 5, jump boxes.
Nope.
Don't pee yourself. I like what you just did. It was a one-legged stomp.
Okay, that was better.
That was better.
I semi-redeemed myself. We'll just do. I think you're supposed to go from the ground up to that. Oh, I'm just doing it my way. Like this. Okay. I did that one. All right, here we are. Station 5. Nice!
All right, is this gonna be like monkey bars in a way, but they're like not stable?
Oh, yeah, parallel bars and monkey bars.
Parallel bars, okay. How did you do it when you were a kid? I'm a little worried.
You'd swing and go like this, and then you move your hands over, and you'd swing your feet down, but now I can't do that.
I don't think I ever did that.
You never did it that way. It's harder than you think. Oh, there you got it. I'm gonna call that good enough. I cheated some of it, but hey. All right.
Valence station. So you go over or under, over, under, over, under. Oh yeah, look at you go, girl. Get it, get it, get it, get it. This is tired deadlift and pull station. Oh, that one's too easy. You're not a beginner.
Definitely not.
Oh, look at here. We made it back to number 10.
This looks familiar.
Yeah. Let's see. Oh, 4.97. I think I can get 5 out of this before I get back to the camper. That was a heck of a hike today.
It was. Wonder what can't wait to see what our elevation was.
Yeah, I'm gonna need to take some protein after this. There's the boys.
We're often accused of being biased when we review things. Right. And we did a video where we reviewed this IceCo Cooler. And we really liked it a lot. So to get an unbiased review, we loaned it to Dave and Andrea. So what did you think of it?
So we used it a couple times, and I think it's pretty cool. I think the quality is pretty nice. And for us, having a camper where you have to put both slides out to get to the fridge, so we were carrying a cooler anyways on trips. So we started using this. And one of the things I think it's really neat, one, it cools down super quick. If you're using a real cooler, you know you have to kind of sacrifice some ice to cool it down to temperature. This thing cools down in 20, maybe 30 minutes at the most. Dual zone, so it has the fridge and freezer. But the cool thing, Andrea's like, hey, can you bring that cooler in so I can load it? And you can just take these baskets inside your house or wherever, right, load it and come back and then put this back in. So that was something that was really neat, that I knew it had the baskets but didn't know the cool function of it until we used it a couple times. It does have a soft close lid, which is nice as well. Yeah.
So when we used this, we had the old version of the app. You got to use the new version of the app, which we didn't get to use because you had the cooler.
That's true.
How'd the app work?
The app's pretty neat. You can log in, or you can log in or sign in as guest mode as well. So if you loaned it to someone or whatever the case may be, or you didn't want to log in with your app or somebody else is using it, it's kind of neat. It has left and right, and you just need to figure out which zone is left and right. So you can set left, you can adjust the whether it's on max or whether it's on eco in both zones for that, and you can adjust the temperature as well. So that was pretty cool. On the way here, I had Andrea hop on there while I was driving and pull it up, make sure it was still cooling. Like, I don't know, you know, just to kind of check, and it was, of course. So that's pretty cool. The app's nice.
So overall, we thought that the quality of it was very good. Do you concur?
Yeah, I would agree for sure. Yeah, it's pretty nice quality, pretty high quality, I would say. It is a replacement for a normal cooler, I would say. I did see on their website they have some accessories, so it has a, I don't know what they call it, like a case, I guess, that fits over this, like a sleeve essentially, and you can still use everything. It has the cutouts for whatever model it is, and you can use that. You can tie it down into your vehicle if you needed to do that, or maybe like on a trailer or something like that. So yeah, it's pretty cool.
All right, so it's not just us that thinks it's a really good product. And it's not really cool, it's ice cold.
Yeah, that's true.
We just had some burgers grilled with some fries that I made in confection. I did have to turn on the generator for that. Not because I had to, but just because it was smarter to do it that way. That way, you know, we didn't run down our battery right before we're gonna head on in, and the sun is at its lowest point for sure. But overall, I mean, both of our batteries have been up to 100%, which has been great. Now we got a fire going. Gonna enjoy the rest of the evening.
Except for Guy. He's gonna cry about it because he's a little crybaby. Crybaby Guy. What do you think, Pipe? Gorgeous day out today. Of course, this is the day that we are packing up. We are leaving Great Seal, but it was a great time. No? Okay.
I had a good time.
Yeah.
And last night we were the only ones in the park, just the Fitches and us.
Yeah, and this park is all non-electric, so we were able to test out our solar and all your new upgrades that you did.
I think this was really the first time that we got to really test like the multi-plus.
Yeah.
Because obviously, like you said, there's no power hookup, but when you're making breakfast, let's see, TV was on, you were running the toaster, you were using the microwave.
I had made coffee in the coffee pot.
Coffee pot was going, and you did all of the things that we do with power, but
without it. And everything actually ended up being really sunny, so everything bounced back. We were back to 100% well before the day was over.
Yeah, because we got those portable bluetti panels. We put them out, just angled at the sun, and it brings our solar charge up fast.
Yeah, I mean, I love the roof panels, but I really, really do love those portable ones because you can move them where the sun is.
Yeah, the portable panels, they really do outperform the panels that are on the roof. But the panels on the roof are nice because they're just always there.
Yeah, but we got the best of both worlds having both of them. I'm hoping that we can do some more dry camping coming up because we love an empty campground. You know us, we love an empty campground. And since the winter was kind of a bust, I guess we'll do some more dry camping to just be by ourselves.
Try to anyways.
Yeah.
It's kind of a challenge in Ohio to dry camp.
It is. I think it's about time we get back on the road and find a new place to go. So until next time, see ya.
See ya.
Next time on Wandering Wagners.
So far, this is turning out to be a big mistake.